It's spring in Ireland and it's a beautiful day. We're here at the Kylemore Abbey and we're going on a hike to the Walled Gardens. So come on and see what we see. And here we are entering the Victorian Walled Garden at the Kylemore Abbey. And you can see here that it is enclosed by these walls, which do provide insulation for all the fruit trees and the flowers that are inside. So beautiful formal entrance, and we're going to take you for a tour. Okay, we've just come in the entrance, and on the inside of the walls are these fabulous espaliered fruit trees here, which I don't know if you heard me talk about these trees before, but I love the shape of these. They all look like they have these arms outstretched. And then just a quick peek over here. They've identified all of the plants in the rows here. I love the row plantings. Mass plantings, espaliered trees. There's everything here. We're just entering the kitchen and herb gardens, which are lovely, and I'm going to show you in a minute, but it's fascinating how the flower gardens and formal gardens are separated from the herb gardens by a mountain stream. what a wonderful day this has been. I really hope you enjoyed this tour. I love bringing these tours to you, and I just feel so fortunate to be able to do this. And I think we all may have gotten some great ideas for some new plantings. So thank you so much for joining me at the Kylemore Abbey. It's springtime, it's fabulous. If you ever have a chance, please come. It should be on everyone's bucket list. And if you like the video, hit subscribe and tap like. And thank you all again.